Norm, a Canadian creative hair designer. Integrated with 3D printing, Norm's fashion works have left a mark on the global fashion scene.
My name is Norm Wright. I'm a 57-year-old hairstylist from Toronto, Canada. I started 3D printing in 2020 to try and discover what I was capable of. I do a lot of competitive hairdressing and editorial work, and in 2020 with COVID, I decided to try and make my own wardrobe. So with these machines and their large build volume, I was able to compartmentalize and start to make pieces for these dresses. What I'm showing you now. My studio is called Global Norming. My salon is Taz Hair Company. And this is what I do with Flsun 3D printers. Thanks again, Flsun, for all your support and for including me in this great project. Looking forward to seeing everybody on the Flsun Live broadcast on Facebook. I hope to see you there.